Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see the topic probability in this self-practice 16b. First question. A box contains 4 packs of real juice. Shruti takes out a pack without looking at the packs. What is the chance probability that she picks? So the 4 packets are 2 lychee, 1 orange and 1 mixed. So find the probability of getting orange and lychee. So probability of event P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. N of S is total number of juice, total number of packets. N of S is equal to 2 lychee plus 1 orange plus 1 mixed. So totally 2 plus 1 is 4 packets. 4 packs. So we want to find what is the probability of getting orange. So first one, probability of getting orange, it's equal to, so orange we have 1, so 1 by total number of packs is 4, so 1 by 4. So probability of getting orange is 1 by 4. Next B question, probability of getting lychee. So number of packets lychee is 2, so 2 by total number of packs is 4. So 2 by 4 we can cancel. 1s are 2s are. So the probability of getting lychee is 1 by 2. If it is possible to cancel means cancel. So 2 by 4 we can cancel in 2 table. 1s are 2s are. So probability of getting lychee is 1 by 2. Second question. A jar has 1 blue and 9 green marble in it. What is the probability of drawing a green marble and blue marble? So probability of event P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. So first find N of S. So 1 blue plus 9 green marble. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So N of S is 10. First question, probability of getting a green marble, it's equal to, green marble is 9 by total number of marble is 10. So N of S is 10. So probability of getting green marble is 9 by 10. Next one, probability of getting a blue marble. So number of blue marble is 1. 1 by total number of marble is 10. So probability of getting blue marble is 1 by 10. Next question. The 6 faces of a dice are numbered from 1 to 6. The die is rolled. What is the chance that it will land with a 4 up and 2 up? 6 faces of dice. So sample spaces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of S is, we have 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our N of S is 6. So probability of event is equal to N of E by N of S. A question, probability of getting a 4 up. So 4 we have only one time. So when you are throwing the dice, we will get the 4 only one time. So 1 by total number of outcome is 6. 1 by 6. B question, probability of getting yes 2 up. Same. So 2 is we have only one time. So 1 by 6. So n of s is 6. Total number of outcomes is 6. So probability of getting 2 is up is 1 by 6. Fourth question. An ordinary pack of 52 cards is well shuffled. The top card is then turned over. What is the probability that the top card will be a red card and the top card is a number card? So a pack of 52 cards. So our n of s is 52. So probability of event P of E is equal to n of E by n of s. So n of s is total number of cards is 52. So we want to find the probability of getting red card. So probability of getting the top card will be a red card. So red card we have 13 and diamond. So 13 diamond cards and 13 art cards. So 13 plus 13 divided by total number of cards is 52. So 13 plus 13 is 26 by 52. 26 by 52 we can cancel. 1s are 2s are. 26 table 1s are 2s are. So probability of getting the top card will be a red card is 1 by 2. B question. Probability of getting the top card is a number card. In pack of 52 cards, we have 4 pairs. Heart in, diamond, spade and club. So each and every pair we will have. The numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each and every pair we will have 9 numbers. So totally we have 4 pairs. So 9 into 4 is 36. The number cards in the pack of 52 cards is 36 divided by total number of cards is 52. 4 table we can cancel. 9 4s are 36. 4 1s are 4. Balance is 1 12. 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 9 by 13. So probability of getting the top card is a number card is 9 by 13. Next question. A gift pack of chips contain 2 cheese and onion, 2 plain salad, salted, 3 tomato munch and 1 pudina. Tanya takes out a pack of chips without looking at the packs. What is the chance that she picks plain, salted, tomato, cheese and onion and pudina? So first we want to find out n of s. So probability of event P of E is equal to n of E by n of s. So total number of packs is n of s is equal to 2 cheese and onion plus 2 plain salted plus 3 tomato munch plus 1 pudina. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So the total number of packs is 8. So n of s is 8. First question, probability of getting plain salted. So number of packs plain salted is 2 divided by total number of packs is 8. So 2 by 8 we can cancel. 1s are 2 4s are 8. So the answer is 1 by 4. B question, probability of getting tomato. So number of tomato packs is 3. So 3 by total number of packs is 8. 3 by 8. C question, probability of getting cheese and onion. It's equal to So number of packs, cheese and onion is 2. 2 by 8. So we can cancel again. 1s are 4s are. So answer is 1 by 4. And fourth question is pudina. D question, probability of getting pudina. So number of packs pudina is 1. So 1 by 8. So probability of getting pudina is 1 by 8. Next question, an ordinary die is rolled. What is the probability that the number of dots on its upper faces? First question 3. Second question is less than 3. Third question is an even number. Fourth question is 7. So we know the die is a 6 faces. So the numbers it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our n of s is 6. So probability of E when P of E is equal to n of E by n of s. Sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in dice we will have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our n of s is 6. First question, probability of getting 3. So probability of getting 3 is 3. In this we have only one time. So 1 by our n of s is 6. So probability of getting 3 is 1 by 6. B question, probability of getting less than 3. So less than 3 is 1, 2. So we have two numbers. So 2 by 6 it's equal to, we can cancel 1s are, 3s are, 1 by 3. So probability of getting less than 3 is 1 by 3. C question, probability of getting an even number. So in this we have the even number is 2, 4, 6. So totally we have 3 even numbers. So 3 by 6. 3 by 6 we can cancel in 3 table. 1s are, 2s are. So the answer is 1 by 2. Probability of getting, next question, probability of getting 7. So it's a 7 is, it's an impossible event. In probability, impossible event is 0. In sample space, we don't have 7 number. So 0 by 6 is equal to 0. So the probability of impossible event is 0. Probability of getting 7 is equal to 0. Next question. A jar contains 3 white, 4 blue, 5 red and 2 green marbles. If a marble is drawn at a random from the jar, what is the probability that the marble is? A question is white, B question is red, C is blue, D is green, E is not white, F is not red. So a jar contains some marbles. So we want to find the probability of the following. So probability of even P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. N of S is total number of marbles, 3 white marble plus 4 blue marble, 5 red marble plus 2 green marbles. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So total number of marble is N of S is 14. First question, probability of getting white. So number of white marble is 3. 3 by 14. So 3 by 14 we can't able to cancel. So probability of getting white is 3 by 14. B question, probability of getting red. So number of red marble is 5. 5 by 14. So denominator, it's a total number of marbles. Our total number of marble is 14. So probability of getting red is 5 by 14. C question. Probability of getting blue. So number of blue marble is 4. 4 by 14. 4 by 14 we can cancel in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. So answer is 2 by 7. D question. Probability of getting green. So number of green marble is 2. So the answer is 2 by 14. So 2 by 14 we can cancel in 2 table. 1s are 7s are. So probability of getting green marble is 1 by 7. E question. Probability of getting not white. So except white marble, so what is the probability of getting remaining marbles? So total number of marbles, you can subtract the white marbles. 14 minus 3 is divided by 14. 14 minus 3 is 11 by 14. So the probability of getting not white is 11 by 14. F question. Probability of getting not red. So number of red marble is 5. So total number of marble is 14. So 14 minus 5 by 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9 by 14. So probability of getting not red is 9 by 14.